Should be part 1. Okay? Sa akin, so July 28, diba? So 2022. Okay? Sa akin, so SS. July 2022. Sa akin, so parang Math and EE, diba? So yung number 1, so hanggang sa number 20 dito sa lecture natin. So S, lumabas noong April 2022 board exam. Diba? So sa kanila. Okay? Tama ba? So yan, sa akin, so let's start. No? Okay, so problem number 1. Okay. So number 1, diba? So ito lumabas noong February 2014. Okay. So tapos na ulit noong September 2014. Okay. So tapos na ulit noong April 2015. So then bumalik na yung April 2022. Diba? So in thermodynamics, our attention is focused on which form of energy. So this is internal energy. Diba? Sa akin, so yun yung ginagawa natin study sa thermo. Diba? Sa akin, kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa internal energy. So kung ma-release ba siya as heat, mag-absorb ba siya ng heat. Diba? So or kung gagamitin ba natin for work. Diba? So or i-increase ba natin by work. Diba? Okay? So next, number 2. So ito lumabas noong September 2015 na ulit noong April 2022. No? Okay? So itatandaan natin sa number 2, di ba? Sa akin. So ito actually nasa Google Drive dito. So yung shinare ko sa inyo na books, di ba? So dun sa books, okay? So na mga set of objective questions. Okay, sa akin. So nandun to sa computer. Computer system ata or something. Okay? O ba? Sa akin yung tatandaan natin dito, di ba? So S. Okay? So itong 800 kilobyte, this is at 800, so KB is kilobyte file. So ibig sabihin, so this is 800, diba? So multiplied by 1024 bytes, diba? Okay, so and itong 28.88K modem naman, diba? So ibig sabihin nito is 28,800 bits. Okay, naka ba? Bits per second. Okay, naka ba? So kaya ibig sabihin, so meron kayong size ng file and meron tayong speed ng file, speed ng download speed, di ba? So then yung tanong sa atin is gano'n daw katagal bago matapos yung pag-download. Okay? So kaya again, so just by unit analysis alam natin, i-divide lang natin itong dalawang to. Okay? Naka ba? So therefore, okay? Sa akin yung total time natin for problem number 2. So time. Sa akin, so this is equal to file size divided by, okay? So this is the download speed. No? So we have the download speed. Okay? Sa akin yung file size natin 800 kilobytes. Diba? And again, so remember, we have 1024. Sa akin, bytes per kilobytes. Diba? So then, so we have 8 bits per byte. No? So again, so then divide this by the download speed. So that's 28,800 sa akin bits per second. Okay? So then yung choices natin naka-minutes. So therefore, let's convert. So we have 60 seconds per minute. Diba? So therefore, okay, so this will be equal to so we have 800. So by okay, so 1024 by 8. So then divided by 28,800. So then by 60. Oops. Divided by 60 pala dapat. Sa akin, i-convert natin sa minutes. So baliktad pala yung pagkakasulat ko. Sa akin, so this should be 1 minute for every 60 seconds. Okay? So therefore, so let's go back here. So then divided by 60. Okay? So you will get that this is 3.8 minutes. Diba? Okay? So this is letter C. No? So okay, so just note dito, diba? So na ingat kayo dun sa problem na to kasi pag yung 28.8 kilo, diba? So is kinonsider niya as kilobits, no? So baka magkamali kayo, diba? So kasi pag kilobits, minumultiply pa siya ng 1,024, diba? So not 1,000. So dito kasi sa 1,000 natin, minultiply. So pero yan kasi yung ginamit niya sa book, diba? So kaya we will follow. No? Okay? So number 3. So ito lumabas noong September 2014. Okay? So naulit nung April 2016, di ba? So naulit nung April 2019, di ba? So then naulit nung September 2021, di ba? So then naulit nung April 2022. Okay? So then the question is, okay, which of the following, di ba, is reactive in its pure form? Okay, no ka ba? So reactive, unstable, di ba? So inyo mga lumalabas sa na wording dito, di ba? So yung tatandaan lang natin dito is helium is stable. This is non-reactive kasi nga this is a noble gas. Diba? So this is an inert gas. So ibig sabihin this is already stable. Diba? So kaya hindi na siya naghahanap ng ka-react. Diba? Carbon dioxide is already stable. Diba? So kasi again, so yung valence bond natin or yung valence shell natin dito, na-kompleto na natin. Diba? So by covalent bonding. Diba? So, ganun din pagdating sa hydrochloric acid, but this is by ionic bonding. Diba? So, therefore, yung pinaka-reactive dito is the sodium. So, kasi dito hindi pa kompleto yung valence electrons natin. Okay? Tama ba? So, kaya sagot natin dyan ay sodium. Okay? So, we have letter A. Number 4. Diba? So, ito lumabas noong April 2019. Diba? So, naulit noong April 2022. Okay? So ito nasa OSHAS lang, sa OSHS, Occupational Safety and Health Standards. Diba? So again, binigyan ko kayo ng copy sa Google Drive. Diba? Okay? Okay? So ito, diba? So pagpunta tayo sa may bandang likod. Okay? So movement of equipment. So nandito yung mga color coding natin. Okay? Tama ba? So okay, so we have this. Okay, so sa OSHS. So gaya na sabi ko sa hindi ko lang maalala kung nasabi ko sa inyo ng orientation, diba? So pero pagdating sa OSHS, ang lumalabas lang usually, diba? So is yung sa electrical safety, more on electrical safety and color coding. Okay? Tama ba? So yan. So pero noong April 2022, meron lumabas na parang mga standards or requirements, diba? So for a company regarding safety. Okay? Tama ba? So ito yung mga tatandaan natin. Pag red, diba? So again, that's fire protection. So to call the attention to fire protection equipment, apparatus, and facilities, mga fire exits, fire protection materials, diba? So fire extinguishing system, fire station and equipment, diba? Green is safety, okay, so mga first aid equipments. White is traffic, diba? So kaya, for example, so we have the location of white corners of room or passageways, drinking fountains, diba? Okay? So, ito, mga passageways, stairways, directional signs. Yellow is caution. Ito yung mga warning usually, diba? So, yellow with black, solid yellow, yellow and black stripes, yellow and black checkers, yellow with suitable contrasting background. Okay, nakaba? So, for example nga, mga warning, diba? Mga caution, diba? So, meron mga physical hazards, diba? Okay? So, now, pag orange naman, so this is alert, diba? So, for example, mga do not open or do not remove, diba? So, yung possible ka ma-electrocute, diba? So, or something, no? So, yung blue naman is precaution. So, again, so this is limited to warning against starting, use of, or the movement of equipment which is under repair or being worked upon. So, for example, under repair, may not work, diba? Purple, okay, is to designate hazards, diba? Yellow is used in combination with purple, diba? For markers such as tags, labels, signs, and for markers, diba? So far, lumalabas pa lang sa board exam is itong purple with yellow with purple or purple with yellow, diba? So, and itong blue. Okay, so pero again, so makikita nyo naman dito yung mga, ano natin, diba? So, color coding. Okay, diba? So, kaya check nyo na lang. So, nakashare naman yan sa Google Drive, diba? So, occupational safety and health standards. Medyo makapal nga lang yan. So, pero hanapin nyo lang yung color coding sa kayong electrical safety. Diba? So, then check nyo rin yung mga required personnels. No? Kasi lumalabas din pala yun sa board. Okay? Sa akin, so this is blue. Diba? Sa akin, this is precaution. Diba? Okay? So, we have letter A. So, this is blue. Okay? So, blue. Okay, so next number 5, no? So ito lumabas noong April 2017, okay? So naulit noong September 2017, so tapos naulit noong April 2022. Okay? So question is, which statement is true for a fluid, diba? So again, so yung sagot natin dito is letter B, diba? So unang-una, so letter A, it is a liquid only, this is wrong kasi this is liquid in glass. Diba? Okay, so very regular molecular structures. Again, this is wrong. This is random. Diba? Especially pagdating sa gas. Okay? Okay? So then we have the sustained shear force. Again, so if moving, diba? So yung fluid natin. Pero pag at rest, it cannot sustain a shear force. So kaya yung pinakatamang sagot dito is letter B. Diba? Okay? So again, so this should be letter B. So again, nakashare dito sa inyo sa Google Drive. Okay? Next number 6. So ito lumabas noong April 2022. So this is a redox reaction. So if you're familiar, diba? So reduction and oxidation. So oxidation is the loss of electron. Kaya yung sagot natin dito is oxidation. Okay? So we have letter A. Next, number 7. So yung number 7, so lumabas ito noong April 2017. Okay, so tapos na ulit noong April 2022. So pagdating sa mga ganitong problems, sa akin makakatulong sa inyo if you draw the cash flow diagram. Diba? So if you draw the cash flow diagram, so yung tatandaan nyo is after nung lahat ng process natin, dapat yung sum natin so will be 0. Okay? Tama ba? Kaya basically, lahat ng pinapasok natin should be equal dun sa ilalabas natin sa bandang dulo. Okay? Tama ba? So then, okay, sana ba yung mga given sa atin dito sa number 7? Nag-deposit daw tayo ng 1,000 pesos today. Diba? So, ibig sabihin that corresponds to the 0th period. Okay? Tama ba? So, for the 0th period, so we deposited. So, again, this is 1,000 pesos. Okay? Tama ba? So, then, at the end of 2 years, so that first year, so then second year, diba? So again, at the end of 2 years, nag-deposit ulit tayo ng 3,000. So this is 3,000 pesos. So actually, kung marunong kayong gumawa ng table solution, so yung tabulated solution, diba? So then pwede nyo rin gamitin dito. No? So pero sa tabulated kasi, kailangan mo isa-isahin per year. Diba? So medyo mahaba yung magiging solution natin. Diba? So next is, in 5 years, mag-withdraw daw tayo ng 4,000. So palabas naman yung pera this time. So this is 3, 4, so then 5. So then dito naman siya sa kabilang direction. Okay? And sabi sa problem, this is 4,000 pesos. No? Okay? So 4,000 pesos. Okay? So and yung tanong sa atin, magkano daw yung matitira? Okay, so 1 year after the purchase, diba? So therefore, this will be the 6 years. So tanong sa atin, ano itong matitira na to? Tawagin natin to as X. Okay, tama ba? So again, for this, diba? So ang gagawin nyo lang, pili lang kayo ng isang time, diba? So or isang point in time. Tapos dun lang natin i-compare lahat ng values natin. So for example, ang pipiliin ko dito yung future. So ito. So yung future F. Okay, tama ba kasi? Sa akin, so nandito yung hinahanap natin ng X. So kaya mas madali yan para sa atin. So ang gagawin ko sa left-hand side, so ilalagay natin lahat ng withdrawal, deposit. Diba? So lahat ng nababawas sa atin. So tapos, diba, sa right-hand side naman ng equation yung withdrawal. Diba? So akin, so for deposit, so we have 1,000 pesos. Okay, tama ba? So again, so remember, single payment, diba? So future worth. So this is just 1 plus I. So again, ano yung I natin? I is equal to 9% account, so 0.09. No? So this is 1.09. So 1 plus 0.09, that's 1.09. So then this is raised to, so this is 6 years away, so raised to 6. So then plus, diba? So we have 3,000. No? So we have 3,000 pesos. So this time, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 years away. So we have 1.09, so raised to 4. Diba? So then, so this should be equal to, so lahat ng withdrawal, so that's 4,000 pesos. Diba? So again, so this is multiplied by, so again, that's just 1 year away. Diba? So 1.09 raised to 1, so then plus x. So then we can solve for x here. Okay? So, okay? So let's try to solve this one. So we have 1,000 by 1.09. So this is raised to 6. Diba? So then plus. So we have 3,000 multiplied by. So we have 1.09. So raised to 4. Diba? So then minus 4,000 times 1.09. Okay. So we have 1,552. Diba? Okay. So this is 1,552 pesos. Okay? So this is letter C. So gaya na sabi ko kanina, pwede rin kayo dito mag-tabulate. Diba? So i-table nyo lang so from 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No? So again, so up to year 6. Okay? So again, so ngayon, so again, so let's say ito yung open account. Diba? So ito yung close. Diba? So again, so ibig sabihin dito sa close, dito natin i-apply, diba? So yung rate of interest. Okay? So for example, so open 1,000. Diba? So nagsimula tayo sa 1,000. Diba? So again, so at year 0. Actually sa close dapat yan. Magde-deposit tayo today. So ibig sabihin that's counted as the end of year 0. So kaya this will be 1,000 pesos. Diba? So then, so at year 1, so yung 1,000 i-multiply natin ng 1.09. Okay? So we get 1,090. Diba? So this is 1,090. So then at the end, okay? Sorry. Sa close pa tayo mag-multiply. No? So again, so 1,000 pa rin ito sa opening. So then, so multiplied by 9%, this will be 1,090. So this will be 1,090 sa opening. So then, multiply tayo ng, okay? Multiply tayo ng 9%. So tama, okay? So again, sa opening, so again, so remember 1,090. So then sa closing, so again, i-multiply natin ito ng 9%. So therefore, we multiply this by 1.09. Tapos, idadagdag natin yung dineposit natin. So which is 3,000. Okay, so kaya plus 3,000. Okay? So then this will be, so we have 4,188.10. Okay? So again, so this is 4,188.10. Diba? So then, so that will be at the end of third year. Diba? So then we multiply again by 1.09. So we get 4,565.03. So 4,565.03. Diba? So then we move, so 4,565.03. So then we multiply again. Diba? So by 1.09. Okay, so multiplied by, so 1.09. No? So we have 4,975.88. So 4,975.88. So again, so dito na tayo magsusubtract ng 3,000, ng 4,000. Kasi yun yung binayaran natin at, or winidraw natin at year 5. So pero i-multiply uli natin ito ng 1.09. So then we subtract yung 4,000. Kaya matitira sa atin is 1,423.71. Diba? So this is 1,423.71. So 1,423.71. So at the end of the 6th year, so then we multiply again by 1.09. Okay? So we get 1,552. Diba? Kaya at the end of 6 years, 1,552 yung laman ng account natin. Diba? So again, so yun yung parang step by step. Diba? So although again, so this is a long solution. Kasi again, especially kung halimbawa umabot ka na ng 10 years, 20 years, diba? Sobrang haba na nung solution na yun. Okay? Naka-ba? So next, number 8. No? So ito lumabas noong April 2022. Okay? So yung tanong lang sa atin sa number 8, diba? So is, in 2006, the PRC was placed under the administrative supervision and control of the blank. Okay? Nakabasa, this is DOLE, no? Department of Labor and Employment. So this is under EO, Executive Order, diba? So number 565A. Okay? So again, so this is the Department of Labor and Employment, diba? So actually, diba? So surprisingly, so nasa ano to? Okay? PRC website lang. No? Okay? So sa PRC history, no? So, okay, so let me try to open. Ito, diba? So, prc.gov.ph/history. Diba? Okay? So, and ito. So, we have on September 11, 2006, supplemented by Executive Order number 565-A. Diba? So, PRC was attached to the DOLE. Diba? So, again, for administrative supervision and control. Okay? Diba ba? So, again, so ito yung nakalagay sa PRC website. Diba? Okay? So, kaya sagot natin dito, again, is DOLE. No? So Department of Labor and Employment, di ba? So yung nakalagay sa EO 565-A is i-relinquish ng president yung power niya sa papunta sa DOLE, no? Okay? So number 9, okay? So ito lumabas noong April 2022, di ba? So again, so yung number 9, so ang tanong sa atin is which of the following media is considered solid state, di ba? So again, so tandaan nyo na pag sinabing solid state, so from the term itself, solid state, so hindi siya gumagalaw. Okay, nakaba? So wala siyang flow. Okay, nakaba kaya siya tinawag na solid state. Okay, so again, so therefore, ito yung media natin na hindi gumagamit ng any rotating parts. Okay, nakaba? So unlike yung HDD natin, so HDD is hard disk drive, diba? So again, so doon gumagamit ng rotating disks, diba? Spindles, spinning drive, diba? So, etc. Kaya kung titingnan natin, so yung nakalagay dito, so again, so this is floppy disk, di ba? Gumagalaw yan, di ba? Umiikot yan. DVD, umiikot. Tape drive, umiikot yan, di ba? So, therefore, the answer here should be flash media, di ba? So, we have letter A. Sorry. Okay? Share screen. Okay? So again, pag solid state, di ba? So again, hindi gumagalaw. So kaya pag floppy disk, umiikot to. DVD umiikot, tape drive umiikot. Okay? Okay ba? So kaya again, so alam natin yung sagot dito is just that flash media. Okay? Okay ba? So para lang siyang flash drive. Okay? Okay ba? So again, so walang rotating parts. Okay? So kaya this is given by flash media. So we have letter A. Okay? Number 10. So ito lumabas din ng April 2022. So actually lumabas na ito dati, so pero sobrang tagal na, no? So mga 1990s pa siguro or 2000s. Okay? So flexible metal conduit shall be secured by an approved means of at intervals not exceeding. So that's again, lumabas na ito dati na sobrang tagal na. Di ba? And dati yung sagot dito is 1,300 but that's back in 2000. PEC 2000 pa yun. Di ba? So again, sa PEC 2009, nag-update na yan. So naging na siyang 1,400. So kaya ito na yung gagamitin natin. Diba? So we have 1,400 millimeters. So number 10 is letter. Okay. Basa again. So reference PEC 2017 section 3.48.2.21. Okay. So again, so you can check that. No? So next number 11. So ito lumabas ng February 2014, okay? So then naulit nung September 2021. So tapos naulit nung April 2022. Okay? So the question here is the shape of the bending moment diagram over the length of a beam. So having no external loads is always blank. Okay? Okay? So kasi itatandaan nyo dito, diba? So is that, okay? The rate of change of shearing, diba? So dVdx. So with respect to the length, diba? So this is the load, diba? So on the beam. Okay, ba? And the rate of change of moment with respect to the length is given by the shearing. Okay? Naka-ba? So kapag binaliktad natin to, di ba? So you will get that. Okay? So dv, so will be equal to omega dx, di ba? So which means that the shearing is equal to the integral of omega dx. So meaning yung v natin is the area under the curve of omega dx, di ba? So while, so again, so using the same equation here, so again, so m will just be equal to the integral of v. So again, this should be dx, no? Okay? So v dx. So therefore, this moment is the area under the curve, diba, sa ng shearing natin. Okay? Naka ba? So kaya kung wala tayong external load, so start tayo sa loading. So again, so this is our omega. So again, so we don't have any external load. So therefore, this is just a straight line, a zero, diba, so actually. Okay? Naka ba? So again, over the entire length. So ito yung length natin. So again, yung omega natin, zero lang. So omega is zero. Okay? Nakabasa din. So for the shearing natin, diba? So again, so ano yung pag kinuha mo yung derivative is zero? Diba? That's constant. So therefore, magiging constant dito yung shearing natin. So this will be our shearing V. Okay? Nakaba? So and, diba? So pagdating natin sa moment diagram, okay? So ano ba yung pag kinuha mo yung derivative? Diba? So is constant. Diba? So again, so that is a linear function. Diba? And in the first place, again, pag kinonsider natin yung area under the curve ng shearing natin, so for example, we consider this, diba? And let's say we increase this, diba? So then mag-i-increase din yung area. Diba? So at the same rate. So kasi again, so constant lang yung shearing natin. Diba? So therefore, this will start with, let's say, some value. Diba? So again, so nakadepende kasi dun sa beam natin. Okay? So again, so it will start at some value. So let's say we have some reaction force or not. Diba? So then pwede siya magkaroon ng, for example, ganitong moment diagram. So which is linear. Diba? Okay? So or pwede rin siyang ganito. So again, nakadepende ito sa beam. Diba? Kung ano yung magiging initial conditions natin. So pwede siyang maging ganito. Okay? Diba ba? So we don't have any external load. Diba? So kaya alam natin linear to. Okay? So pwede rin siyang ganito. Diba? So again, it depends really, diba? So dun sa given sa atin. Okay? Tama ba? So pero again, so regardless, puro linear lang yung lalabas sa atin na moment diagram. Diba? So for the no load natin, no loading. Okay? So kaya yung sagot natin dito is linear. So we have letter A. Okay? Next, number 12. No? So ito lumabas noong September 2016, diba? So 2016, naulit noong April 2022. So yung tanong sa atin dito is, the differential of the shear equation is which of the following? Diba? Okay? So again, the differential of shear equation. So shear is V, diba? Ano yung dV natin? That's omega dx, diba? So omega dx. So therefore, itong omega dx na to. So this is the differential load, diba? So on the beam. Okay? So this is load on the beam. So therefore, this is letter A. Okay? So next, number 13. Okay? Adiabatic process, diba? So ito, nasa lecture lang to. Lumabas noong September 2014. Okay? Naulit noong April 2022. Diba? So this is no heat transfer. So we have letter A. Okay? Number 14. So ito lumabas noong September 2013, naulit noong April 2022. So okay, so nasa lecture din to ng fluid mechanics. So this principle states that where the velocity of a fluid is high, the pressure is low, and where the velocity is low, the pressure is high. So again, so this is Bernoulli's principle. Diba? So we have letter D. Okay? So again, so nasa lecture nyo naman yun, fluid mech. No? So kaya hindi ko na masyadong i-explain. Okay? So number 15, lumabas to noong April 2017. So naulit noong September 2017. So tapos naulit noong April 2019. So tapos September 2021. So tapos April 2022. Okay? So which of the following does not affect owner's equity? Diba? So again, so equities may kinalaman sa assets and liabilities. Diba? So therefore, so again, so ang i-consider lang natin dyan is yung may mga costs pagdating sa equity natin. Diba? So kaya again, so dito yung may mga costs lang dito is yung dividends paid, invested capital, and the expense to get license to start operation. So license to start operation itself, diba? So it's not an asset, okay? So therefore, diba? So again, so hindi siya nakaka-apekto sa owner's equity, diba? So this is letter B. So requirement lang siya, diba? So for starting a business, diba? So pero hindi siya kasama sa calculation ng equity, no? Next, number 16. So ito lumabas noong September 2018. So then naulit noong April 2019. So tapos naulit noong April 2022. Okay? So when using net present worth calculations to compare two projects, which of the following, diba, could invalidate the calculation? Okay? Tama ba? So again, so dito, diba, so yung invalid lang, di ba? So pagdating sa calculation is yung evaluating over different time periods, di ba? Kasi again, so para maging equivalent yung dalawang present worth calculation natin, dapat parehong time period lang i-consider natin. Okay? Okay ba? So yung sagot natin dito is letter B. Okay? So next, number 17. No? So ito lumabas noong April 2019, diba? So and naulit noong April 2022. Okay, so again, so this one, so again, so this should be common sense, okay? Okay ba? So again, so not a hazardous practice. Hazardous means yung mga delikado, diba? Yung pwede ka ma-aksidente, diba? So kaya horseplay, operating a machine without permission, without protective equipment, diba? So kaya ngayon sinasabi ko lagi sa class, diba? So na pagdating sa mga ganitong uri ng tanong sa akin, so dito, basta mabait ka lang, di ba? Kaya nakuha ba? So alam mo yung tamang sagot dyan. Okay? Nakuha ba? Sa akin. So kung anong tawag dito? Hindi ka masamang tao, di ba? Okay? So alam mo kung ano yung sagot dito, di ba? So kasi yung iba sa mga choices natin gagawin mo lang kapag masama kang tao, di ba? Okay? So or yeah, something like that. Okay? So next, number 18. So yung number 18 lumabas to noong September. Okay? So again, this is letter A. Number 18, lumabas to noong September 2015. So tapos na ulit noong April 2022. Diba? So now, ang tanong sa atin, we have a thin, okay, homogeneous metallic plate containing a hole is heated sufficiently to cause expansion. If the coefficient of surface expansion is linear, so the area of the hole will blank, diba? So again, so itatandaan nyo lang dito, isipin nyo to ganito. Okay? So again, so imagine if this is the plate. Okay? Okay ba? So then let's say wala tong butas, diba? So pero again, so let's, for example, imagine nyo sa akin, so ito yung butas, ito yung magiging butas natin. Okay? Nakuha ba? Tapos nagkaroon ng linear expansion or ng area expansion, mag-expand yan. So then what will happen to this line? So again, it will also expand. Diba? Kasi may metal siya sa loob. Diba? So again, this is also metal. So therefore, that will expand. Okay? Nakuha ba? So again, so by this principle, makikita natin na pag kinonvert natin to sa isang hole, so pag ginawa na natin tong hole, diba? So ibig sabihin, lalaki din yung hole. Okay? Nakuha ba? Kasi nga originally may naman yung metal and that will expand. Okay? Nakuha ba? So otherwise, diba? So again, so kasi ang iniisip ng iba, liliit yung hole. So kasi mag-expand in this direction yung metal natin, di ba? So pero pag nangyari yan, di ba? So then dapat magkakaroon ng parang buckling, di ba? So dapat parang mag-curve, di ba? So again, so yung metal natin, nung may laman pa siyang metal. Okay? Tama ba? So kaya parang hindi nagma-match yung dalawang definition natin. So if lumiliit yung hole natin, okay? So therefore, di ba? So again, yung pinaka-okay na explanation dito, lumalaki din yung hole. Okay? Tama ba? So kaya sagot natin sa number 18 sa is letter B. Okay? Next, number 19. No? So ito lumabas noong April 2015. Okay? So April 2015. Naulit noong September 2017. So tapos naulit noong April 2022. Diba? Okay. So sa number 19, diba? So itatandaan lang natin dito again is, pag open system, diba? So dumadaan yung mass saka energy. Diba? Mass and energy. Okay? Tama ba? So pag closed system, diba? no mass, hindi makakadaan yung mass, pero makakadaan yung energy. Diba? Pag isolated system, diba? So, yung hindi makakadaan yung mass, hindi rin makakadaan yung energy. Diba? So, kaya sa problem number 19, diba? So, nakalagay dyan, allow energy. Diba? So, but does not allow mass. Diba? So, therefore, this is closed system. Diba? So, we have letter C. Okay? So, number 20. So, ito lumabas noong September 2014, diba? So, and naulit noong April 2016. Diba? So, din naulit noong April 2022. Okay? Which location may be temporarily subject to dampness or wetness? So, nasa lecture 2 ng Philippine Electrical Code. Diba? So, the answer here is dry. Diba? So, again, so reference, PEC. Okay? So, 1.1.1. Diba? So, again, definition of terms. Okay? Okay?